Hello gorgeous women and fabulous ladies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore the world of short hairstyles. If you have been searching for fantastic ideas to try a pixie cut or style your short hairs perfectly, then you have come to the right place. I am here to guide you through the process and help you achieve that flawless and eye-catching look. We all know how important our hair is in defining our overall style and boosting our confidence. That's why I have gathered a collection of mesmerizing styling tips and ideas that you're absolutely going to love. With these new techniques, you will see a remarkable transformation in your hair that will leave you feeling empowered and beautiful. Imagine it, ladies, the magic and allure of these wonderful pixie cuts will enhance your overall appearance from subtle highlights to bold undertones. Get ready to be amazed as you see the stunning differences in your hair's look before and after trying out these incredible styles. I apologize if you hear any background noise. Please bear with me, and I promise it would not reduce the enjoyment of this video. Now let's get started. I have a variety of short hairstyling ideas lined up just for you. These hairstyles are not only stylish but also highly impactful. They are made to suit your preferences, whether you like a chick bob, a pixie cut or any other fabulous short haircut. I guarantee, my dear ladies, that you will fall head over heels in love with these remarkable ideas. Let's discuss the fascinating charm of grey, white and black colors. Can you imagine how stunning your hair will look with these shades? The mix of black and grey creates a sophisticated and timeless appeal that is simply adorable and fantastic. These are the best of the best hairstyling ideas tailored just for you. To give you a preview of what's coming, I have chosen some stunning images of women flaunting different short hairstyles. From modern to elegant, you will find the perfect inspiration to showcase your unique style. So get ready to let out your inner fashionista and let your short hair shine wherever you may go. Oh, and don't worry if English is not your first language. I apologize if my English is not perfect, but fashion is a universal language that transcends words. So let's focus on the incredible and gorgeous looks I am about to show you. But wait, there's more. This video is not just about styling ideas, it is about transforming your entire look. My channel is a golden mine of useful content to help you achieve your dream hairstyle. From detailed step-by-step tutorials to expert advice and guidance, I have got you covered, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest videos. Believe me, ladies, you would not want to miss out on the exciting content coming your way. As we wrap up this video, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. Your support means the world to me and it motivates me to keep creating content that empowers and inspires. Remember, you are beautiful, and with the right hairstyle, you possess the power to conquer the world. Thank you so much for being with us today on our YouTube channel. We hope you enjoyed this showcase of beautiful and inspiring short hairstyles. Remember, your hair is your best accessory, and experimenting with different styles is a great way to express your creativity and embrace your uniqueness. So go ahead, confidently rock those stunning short hairstyles and let your inner beauty shine. Until next time, keep flaunting those fabulous short haircuts and stay beautiful inside and out. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching the video. And thank you so much for gracing us with your presence today. And until we meet again, take care and keep shining brightly. See you in the next video.